Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. As you can tell by the title and thumbnail, this video is all about H&M homeware. So I thought I'd bring you along with me as I travelled from work to H&M to see exactly what it was like. And obviously with London traffic, this is what it looks like in reality. So I hope you're having a better day than this. So let's go ahead and head up straight to H&M and see what they have in store. I'm so excited and I hope you are too. So the first thing that I came across were these beautiful scented candles in these beautiful jars, and they're all for $6.99. They had a variety of flavors. So they had the mahogany flavor and they had this beautiful cotton flavor. They smell so good, you wouldn't even believe it. And they had this cedarwood flavor as well. So absolute bargain for $6.99. So moving on to the next section, they had a variety of kitchenware that I thought was absolutely beautiful. So let's have a look at what they have in store. I came across this plate. It's like super strong and sturdy, and it's there for $9.99. Really pretty as well. Then I came across these cute egg cup holders, and they were down to $2.99. Aren't they cute? And check out the matching tumblers. These are absolutely beautiful. They're $3.99. So if green is your colour, these are the ones for you. And they have the matching wine glasses as well. So for $6.99. So what a bargain. And of course they had a gold section, which is a must, and it's absolutely stunning. Check out this bread holder for $9.99. It's so beautiful. And I thought this mug was so cute with the animal print on it for $3.99. Then they had these beautiful gold coasters for $17.99, but let me put them back before they fall. Then they had this beautiful teacup that is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And of course they had a beautiful matching bowl that had a gold lining. Absolutely love it. Then check out this beautiful tea set, floral tea set with gold lining. I'm here for it. Absolutely beautiful. Then they had a variety of teacups and bowls, but I absolutely fell in love with this tray, a gold tray. Yes, please. And it was $17.99. I think that's quite a good bargain for such a beautiful tray. What do you use trays? Let me know in the comments below. And for my animal lovers, they have these beautiful teacups with different insects on them. I think they're super cute. And of course, if you know me, you know how I feel about wired baskets. And so they had a variety of these beautiful gold baskets for $6.99. They had them in different styles and different shapes. And I think they're absolutely beautiful. I'll just run out of ideas of what to put in them. So this one was $9.99. They also had them in black, which I think also looks quite good, right? Again, they had a longer one. This is quite cute too for $12.99. Let me know in the comments below, what would you use this for? Then I came across this wired basket, and I thought this would be so beautiful for fruits, and you could put it anywhere, and I thought it's really, really beautiful and cute. $12.99, so I think that's quite a bargain. Then they had these beautiful storage bins, I would say. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what they are. They're $12.99 and they're stunning. Then they had these cute tea light holders for $4.99, and they are absolutely beautiful. I think they would accentuate a lot of places. I came across even more home accessories that were gold. Gold seems to be the colour. They had this beautiful candle, bamboo jasmine, for $8.99. Now for cat lovers, this is the vase for you. I love this vase. and it was only $24.99. It's absolutely stunning. I don't think I've seen it anywhere else. They also had this beautiful Versace inspired vase. Love it. They didn't really have much of the kids section, but this is everything that they had for kids. And I absolutely love this dinosaur, but it's because I think my son is really into dinosaurs right now. And this was $22.99. Absolutely beautiful. Then I obviously had to check out what they had on sale, right? So they had a variety of candles from £3. And they also had these beautiful candle holders for £2, which I think are quite cute. They also had this large candle for £7. Then I came across this holiday, a festive candle set for £5, which I thought was really, really good because they had 4 different flavors and they smelled really, really good. So if you still want your house to smell like the holidays, this is the candle set for you. And of course, we had to have some more candle holders in a wicker style. This was $12.99. Then these beautiful cushion covers caught my eye, and I absolutely love them. So I really liked this lemon inspired one. Not inspired, it's a lemon print, which is really beautiful. It's $6.99. And they had them in a variety of styles, which I quite like. I mean, even if you like it quite plain, they had that. And they had a leaf one in brown and green, all for $6.99. What a bargain. Then they had this tray with different little vases in them, which I guess you could use it as storage, or you could use them for your pots. Then they had this beautiful mirror, and I thought this was absolutely stunning. Could go so many places around the home, and it was $24.99. And again, they had a variety of cushion covers that I thought were really, really beautiful. These are also all $6.99 each. Then going with the vase, they had this bamboo one that I thought was really beautiful. And there's another dinosaur head. I think dinosaurs are the thing, right? For my gardeners, this watering can is absolutely stunning, and it was $19.99. Then check out this beautiful vase. Now, if you're really into art, please let me know in the comments below what style of art this is. But it's absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful piece. Then I came across these wicker baskets, and they are $29.99. They're absolutely beautiful. I would use them as planters. Let me know in the comments below, what would you use them for? Then they had this faux fur rug that is absolutely soft. It was $12.99. Absolutely beautiful. Then they had this cabinet that had basically everything that I want in my home. I'm talking about how I need to arrange my bed sheets, these beautiful cushion covers, and these vases. I really like these. These are $18.99. They are fabulous. So as you can see, there's so much in store in H&M, and I was super excited and inspired by how I can decorate my home. I want everything in that store, basically. Let me know in the comments, what is the one thing that stood out to you? That is it for the video. If you like this type of content, please make sure to hit that like button, to subscribe, and to hit the notification bell. Until the next video, thank you so much for all your support. Have a great day. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.